we also have a history of kind of moving in and out of Pakistan. I mean, let's remember here, the people we are fighting today, we funded 20 years ago. And we did it because we were locked in this struggle with the Soviet Union. They invaded Afghanistan, and we did not want to see them control Central Asia, and we went to work. And it was President Reagan, in partnership with the Congress, led by Democrats, who said, you know what, sounds like a pretty good idea. Let's deal with the ISI and the Pakistani military, and let's go recruit these mujahideen, and let's get some to come from Saudi Arabia and other places, importing their Wahhabi brand of Islam, so that we can go beat the Soviet Union. And guess what? They retreated. They lost billions of dollars and collapsed the Soviet Union. So there's a very
خير خلق الله بادئا وانتهاء ما هم بأمة أحمد لا والذي فطر السماء ما هم بأمة خير خلق الله بادئا وانتهاء ما هم بأمة أحمد لا والذي فطر السماء ما هم بأمة خير خلق الله بادئا وانتهاء ما هم بأمة سيدي حاشا فليسوا الأكفياء ما هم بأمة من على الأفلاك قد ركز اللواء من حطم الأصنام من أرسى العدالة والإخاء من أسمع الدنيا حداء المجد فاشتعلت حدا من قاد قافلة السلام وفجر الصحراء ماء واستمطر التاريخ فانهمر